Talking about how bad sanctions were for Alpha Bank and how it was Ovid's responsibility to try to do something about U.S. sanctions and, this concern that he wasn't close enough to Trump. And Ovid told the investigators that he interpreted that as a directive from President Putin, that it was his responsibility to find a way to get close to Trump people. And he said that he actually did try that and didn't have a lot of success. But he said that Putin would press him in future quarterly meetings. He would ask, how's that going? And he had to sort of report back that it wasn't going very well.
And didn't Putin also imply that there would be consequences if his oligarchs didn't make connections with the Trump team?
Yes, exactly. Ovid indicated that, that was part of his understanding that this was something he really had to try because Putin had indicated that there would be some kind of consequences for failure. Now, that particular episode, with Peter Ovid at least, appears to end when he gets a subpoena from the Mueller investigation, and he reports back to Putin's chief of staff that he's received the subpoena, and they're going to want to be speaking with him, and that's kind of where that story trails off. But there's sort of this implication that if this was happening with Ovid, it was likely happening with a whole lot of other people as well.
So what's the importance of this revelation from the Mueller report?
I would say it's twofold. First of all, I think